Hey guys, Jeff the maintenance man. We're up here with this leaker. She's a leaker mama in here. I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. We got oil on the coil right here, so it's leaking. Dang it, it's been raining, so I don't know if that's oil or not, but this is definitely oil. It's been here for quite a while, but man, is it burning the hell up in there, dude, because this is the kitchen and the hallway unit. So I've unplugged this. This was plugged into here like that. The power's off, guys. Judging by the schematics, this is gonna be my fan. You got shit, what am I doing? Okay, so let me try this one more time. Sorry. So I unhooked this because this is my fan, and we're gonna turn on the fan and cool one. So all I need is two of these legs here, and it's going to trick the unit into thinking that the fan's going to be on. So I'm just going to wire some thermostat wire to it, to a thermostat, and drop it down the damn return. If it works. If it works. That's what we're going to try to do. It's another AAON video, guys. Sorry, but it's 3 in a row, ain't it? 3 in a row. Gum, isn't it? That is tight. But alright, so watch what I do. Don't do what I do, but watch what I do. Shit. We're gonna try our best to do what we can do with this unit here. I'm not even going to give it power. I'm going to just use batteries that are in the thermostat. It's already got batteries in it. It's just a Honeywell Pro 3000. I just need it to trigger these relays, because that's all this does. That's all it does, is it triggers the relays. Well, I hope it does. We're still not too confident on that, but all right, let's get our little faceplate here. See if we get anything out of this. So this is my fan wire, so I'm gonna put that on green, or G for the fan. I grab my screwdriver here, my Harbor Freight screwdriver. You know, like, you can't really go wrong with our screwdrivers either. You can oops, you know what, I need to go through the back of this. There we go. That on green, G for fan. So now I know what I'm triggering just by looking at the wire colors that are coming into the thermostat. I can't judge it by that, but, and I only want first stage cooling because we're just gonna try this out real quick. So first stage cooling. Yellow. Yellow. Yeah, I'm looking at the schematics, guys. This should be all I freaking need is these 2 wires. Really. Everything else could just stay the hell out. Wow. These 2 are heat, and then another one is a oh crap, what is it? Heat 1, heat 2. Heat 1, heat 2, but what the fuck? There's 6 wires. 2, 4, 6. Okay, and common. Okay, so yeah, we'll hook this back up because it's gonna have that common on it, but it doesn't really matter. Not gonna matter. Not for what we're doing. So this is gonna be cool. So I'm gonna use an orange wire, acting like I am energizing a contactor, but this is going to go over to we might have to tie in, yeah, might have to tie in cool too, because it's got low pressure, high pressure switches. It goes directly to that. This other one goes to a terminal block, which goes to those low pressures and high pressures for the first stage, so it's not going to even kick on. I might have to bind that. Dang it. Let's see what happens. Actually screw something up. Well, that's why I'm not hooking any of this to the VCM-x module, so I don't burn anything up. Well, at least the VCM-x module. This one's got fire protection on it. I will leave the delay on here so I can delay, but oh God. Orange. So I'm gonna just stick that in the orange or the O terminal for reversing valve, which is also energizing cooling. Hopefully this works, guys. I don't know. Taking a shot in the dark here. I wish I made a little bit better video of showing that one video where he hooked up the thermostat, the guy from the thing, but he had 4 wires, I have 2, and the other 2 wires were common and you know, neutral or whatnot. I'm not gonna need those, not for this, I don't think. But well, we're gonna give it a shot. So cool is on. Turn it off for a second, because when I turn it on, as soon as I turn it on, well, the reheat valve is going. The fan turned on, I think. No, it hasn't turned on yet. Actually, is this spinning? Hold on. No, I don't hear a blower motor. Hold on. Why are you doing this, Jeff? Well, clearly tell. What's going on? Nothing's powered up. You can know this. Relay 1 should be on. I got it jumped off, right? There's no common go. Oh, there's no dummy. Gosh. Oh my God, Jeff, you're shit. Not common, but you need that red to go to the red to the thermostat, dummy. God dang it. Oh, sometimes, guys. I can just be so stupid. So freaking stupid. Sometimes when we touch, we almost do the street. Well, and if this works, what I'll do is then I have some thermostat wire, and I'll drop it down the return, and I'll have cooling. Just dang gummit, it's getting hot down there. 80, it's like 84 right now, and it's just like a 60-degree day. But they have a kitchen, and also, while we talk about that, the kitchen's fume hood is not working, which is right beside me. So that's another damn thing. It's not working, and that evacuates the heat, and this keeps up with that thing evacuating the heat. So that's why I'm a little concerned about, you know, this stuff. So let's put our comment on here. I'm gonna leave it connected, because if they want heat, well, if they want heat, they're gonna have to come up here and pull this damn thing out of their damn return. This one's gonna have to happen. And that's probably exactly what I'll do. I'm gonna, man, that's cold. It's so cold. Hey, God, do I try too much, guys? Do I try too much? Yeah, I need both of these to be in that fucking... I need both of these to be in there. I've already taken a picture of where these wires go, but it's pretty apparent by the schematic there. So it's not gonna be too much of a pain in the butt. But screw these down nice and tight so no sparky yarkies. Put this back in there. There we go. Now we have a voltage source to trigger those relays. Tell them to go at themselves. Let's turn it off. When that relay comes on, I'm going to turn it on before it goes out into power failure or whatnot. So let's just give it a second here. Alright, I got 0 amps, man. Usually I get like 0.3 something, but that's kind of weird. Well, maybe because I'm on the heating coil, you dumb shit. More, Jeff. Still no difference. Whatever. And this pops on. Put this to cool, but wait till reheat goes. There it goes. I felt the motor just turn on. Now relay 1's trying to energize. Maybe we'll get an unload here. Then we'll get the unloader to trip off. It should have already done that. Oh, got a tick out of the... Alright, here we go. I got more than what I did before. I got a tick out of that fire reset relay. Let's see what happens. We got a fan too. We got a fucking fan, bruh. I think this energizes 2 different relays though. That's the problem. See, so I'm just going step by step, guys. I'm taking one step by step. Why am I not getting any amps on this? Okay, I am. What happened? There ain't no way. Hold on. Ain't no way I'm only getting half an amp on any fucking thing. Not even half an amp. Well, no contactors are full, man. I mean, I could just trick the whole damn thing. Oh. Damn it. The fucking phase motor just came. The flute motor just came on. The heat's coming on. Why is heat coming on? That's fucking that's not gonna work either. That damn heat crap. my question is, why is relay 4 energizing? So now what? We don't have air conditioning because the compressor's on. That thing is going fucking nuts, guys. Oh my god. What the hell? That thing is rattling like hell. First of all. So even he's not gonna work at this point. Alright, fuck you, you know what? Shit. Fuck you. That's what we'll do. You wanna play? I got all thermostatic controls and input. I bet you the input for thermostat controls are over here somewhere. Ah, damn it. Alright, let's just do that. See what we get this time. That motor's still spinning down, or it's spinning under its own accord. I don't know. Yeah, let's see if all this stuff is tricked into thinking now. I don't care if you fire up that, it's not going to fire up this motor now. Let's see if this does it. At least we got fan spool up. Damn, I can open the dampers now and just let it. Alright, relay click for what? Excuse me. Woo. A little dusty up in here. Hey, I even got it. Low suction pressure. Compressors aren't going to fire up without that being tied into that. All right, cool. Got it. Got it, bro. Got it. Fuck. That's what I thought. Tie this into the yellow. Orange, right? Orange. Yep. Low static pressure. Makes fucking sense. God dang it. This thing's just a glorified thermostat. It really is. That's all it does. Glorified. Really, really good. Really good glorified thermostat. All it is. Oh, the AC company's gonna love me if they ever have to look at this. But I've taken pictures of where these go, so we're good. Look at that. Where it was. AAON's not gonna like it. I'll tell you that right now. I'm giving away all their secrets. There you go. Bam. Done. Done, son. Check some amps here. 16 amps. Not over amping. I just tricked it into thinking that it has a VCM-x module with freaking 3 wires, guys. With 3 freaking wires. Just look at it, figure it out, you know. Fans pulling up as the compressors are going up, which is kind of weird. And I need to make sure the outdoor fans are on. Alright, That's the next step, is figure out where those compressor fans, how to trick those into coming on. That's the compressor condenser fans right here. So I'm probably just gonna send 24 volts up to this relay, pop it on, or figure out where it goes. Nope, there they go. There they go. Don't even have to do that. Yes. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Guys, y'all do not understand how happy I am right now that I can bypass this piece of shit. We're running at 15.78 amps right now here. I'll show y'all. So I'll go through it again, but downstairs they don't have a thermostat. Unfortunately, it did get broken. So we got 15 point something amps or whatever. This thing's really not unloading. I'm gonna definitely check that. But it's running this stage right here, which is low on Freon. It is low on Freon. Now, I mean, it's gonna do what it does. I mean, I guess. But it's gonna give them a little bit of cooling down there. I mean, I'm not really worried about the first, you know. This is gonna be, yeah, it's cooling, but not much. Not much at all. Okay, it's really cold right here. Okay, it's going. It's going. It's going. It's going, broskies. Fan motor's going. We're good there. So I guess the next thing I have to do is shut this down and drop this thermostat down that return over here. So I'm just going to run the wires through these little wire management systems. I'm going to drop it down here so it knows what to do. But yeah, the low pressure switches are hooked to that orange wire, and they have to, you know, they have to have the reading that they're normally closed right here. So just looking, I was like, okay, the orange does need to be tied in, or this relay is not going to trigger, and it's not going to trigger anything. So that's what happened. And I heard this relay click, boom. Now it's kind of concerned about the condenser fans not coming on, but doesn't seem to be a freaking problem now. So yeehaw, yeehaw. So this is another, can you run an AAON unit off of 2 AA batteries? See, it's trying to fire up heat right now. Not gonna let you, bro. No. But we have a new thermostat coming for this unit. It's just, it's Friday, guys. People are gonna, you know, be there for the weekend or whatnot. But no overamperage. We're at 15 amps, 15.10. The first stage compressor's not running, and I don't care that it is or not. We're just gonna run it like a standard air conditioning unit at this time. I mean, if it was, you know, low pressure or high pressure, it would have kicked off by now. Or, well, spoke too soon, didn't I? Or sometimes those fans cut off. Those fans will do that. Sometimes. And then I'll cut right back on. That's how this thing acts. The thing's blinking normal status though. what they do. They come on, they come off. I don't, stupid. Yeah, the condenser fans, to save on power or whatever, they trip off a little bit and then they come back on. It's done that all the time. I mean, let me get my phone out of here before it gets fried. But still 15.6, 15, and then the VFD spooled down the thing. So, all right, it's been running long enough for me to say that it's satisfactory, and I will not have a problem with it yet. And all I have to do is unhook all this tobacco and put the wires back. Those 2 wires. That's it. 2 freaking wires, man. 2 wires. You can run this whole unit with just those 2 wires. It's crazy. 3 wires if you count the common that I had to pull off of. Crazy. Computer crap's not even, and there's your proof. And there's a big ass storm coming, so I better get this done, guys. So shut her down. Shut her down. And I know this isn't good for this unit. I know it's not. Y'all cuss me later, but what I'm gonna do is just wire nut this to the thermostat wire real quick. So green, red, and orange. That's all I need. Come on, get out of there. Alright, so my thermostat wire here. Just some regular old shit. Just cut off that curly Q. Ain't got time for this, man. There's a storm a brewing. Alright guys, I'm sorry. I'm trying to turn on. And what a fucking time. There you go. Feed this through. Man, I'm on a roof with a crap load of lightning rods, man. I mean, they're actually running under my feet all over this unit. There's one up here. It's not where you want to be if this starts lightning and stuff. Come along, shall we? Yeah. I mean, this is shorter than most of my other videos because you know what I mean? This is stupid that I even have to do this, but it's something I'm gonna have to do just to get them by. And as soon as I do this, watch, that thermostat's gonna show the hell up. So let's go to the next compartment and get our wire. This will be our drop down wire. So I want it to go down into the building good enough. So, and what I'm gonna do is attach that thermostat to this end of the wire, drop it down, drop it down, drop it down, drop it down now. Alright, so damn it, it's starting to rain. Holy crap, I gotta go, guys. I gotta hook up this thermostat. I'll be back when I do that. Because it's probably gonna rain and I'm gonna have to evacuate for a second. Alright guys, so what I did, I just basically took the extension of these wires and put them through on there. And when I get over there, we'll do the same thing. We'll hook them up. Orange, red, green. Done. Alright. Yeah, it's about to rain. It's about to rain, bro. It's about to rain. Alright, let's get this wire stripped up. Blah blah blah. How do you hold on. Dun 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 dun. You want to sit there for a second? Alright. You take the wire and you strip it like that. What was it? Red, green, and orange. Red, green, orange. Red, green, and orange. Oh, I'm feeling moisture. I'm feeling moistness. I'm feeling the moistness. Y'all don't understand how excited I am that I actually figured this shit out on my own. It's fucking awesome. I like it. Alright, all 3 wires stripped. Wires go in to the thermostat in their order G to green. Uh-oh. Did I bring that screwdriver? Probably not. One moment. Yep, probably not. Jeff never brings his right crap with him. Man, you can't break an AAON unit. They're already broke before you bought them. So, I don't care. It's just getting stupid and ridiculous sometimes. Sometimes I'll hang and wait. Now, it's not going to be able to keep up with like really high demand stuff, but maybe, just maybe, it'll keep up today. Just maybe. The butterfly is sweating downstairs, so we'll keep him happy. Just kidding. I do it for our residents too. I mean, I try to do anything I can, and I have a good amount of knowledge, guys, about how electronics work. So, as you see on some of my videos on my channel, I do know, how to program and how electronics work in their physique. So it's kind of, I'll drop that down to return. So there you go. You can just sit in there, Mr. Thermostat. Let's turn her on, see if she still works. Hopefully. This side here, we got our ASCII tabs. I keep these up here out of the heat section, just in case, whatever. They're not flammable or anything. There we go. We got compressor right off the bat. It's supposed to do its whole sequence thing and stuff, and it's still trying to boot up, but it doesn't matter. It's not outputting anything because it's unplugged now, so it doesn't really matter. And it really doesn't matter about the reheat valve either. The fan will spool up in the same amount of time. That's gonna cause that to go in a little bit of high head for a little bit, and then you're gonna get the relay here. And as you can see, it's telling me low pressure, low suction pressure, but obviously, yeah, it's low. It's low on Freon. I can do a go and squirt, squirt more stuff in here, but once this coil gets hot enough, I think I actually hear it. That's when those fans come on. Listen to those bearings. Yeah, go. Hey, woo! That'll be the next thing that's gonna go bad on this, is those bearings. Until then, Jeff the Maintenance Man, bypassing all this stupid shit just to get us by. So, yep. And those fans will do that. They'll cut on, they'll cut off, they'll cut on and cut off. Even when it's in normal operation mode, it does that. Why? I don't know. I don't care, really. Guys, I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. I think I successfully got us by for the weekend, or them by for the weekend. I'll be at home Probably live streaming with you guys, maybe. I don't know. But there you go. Bypassing the AAON unit. That is, let me just make sure everything's kosher. Yep, okay, it's coming back on again. That's what it does when it's in normal operation. So, it's only in one stage though. A second stage, and it is low on Freon. So, I just don't have any Freon to give it, but it is cooling. And it's probably doing that unload, load bull crap because of this. So, because that door is open. Guys, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. We'll see you on the next one, baby. Yeah.
The beat drops out.